Labadiena! So my initial plan was to post the video of this build, of this table base build, but as you have seen I ran out of other consumables and it's weekend now, so I cannot buy them immediately, so I have to switch my plans to another build, and it necessarily has to be one day build. But I have an idea. When I got interested in epoxy resin and all kind of related resins, I did a lot of castings and testing. Most of them were absolutely terrible and just a waste of money, but I kept some salvageable pieces. And I think it's a great opportunity to use one of the pieces. So I chose this piece, and I'm thinking to make a side table or very small coffee table. And for the legs I'm thinking to go very minimalistic. I will make a channel at each end of this piece, and I will make a rectangular legs which will sit in that channel. But I'm also thinking to extend those legs a bit further away from the edge, so this centerpiece would look rather small in proportion with the size of the legs, but for the very same reason it would drag all the attention to the countertop. So this is spalted alder inside. It has very dark hues, and for the legs I'm thinking to go even with a darker color wood. I think I have sapelli somewhere, so I think I will make the legs out of sapelli. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's get building. obviously. But I made it done in one day, even though I finished at midnight. But when I came, I saw that I've done quite a lousy job on the surface. So probably I will have to refinish, resand it and apply a new coat of oil. Okay, let's talk about the legs. I would love to have more contrast. I said I will use a belly. That might have brought a bit more contrast, but I didn't have enough material, so I used teak. And it kind of blends with this alder. And just so I wouldn't mix a lot of species of wood, I used alder splines as well. Okay, I would love to address a few tips from the build. So as you have noticed, I used rather rotten piece of alder for the epoxy countertop, and it had a few soft spots. So I've hardened it with very thin CA glue so it seeps in and hardens the wood. And during the whole build I used polyurethane glue, mainly because teak has a lot of oils and most of the glues doesn't bond very well with this type of wood. So I knew that polyurethane works great at these kind of applications. So I've gone with that. Also, polyurethane is absolutely the best for end-grade gluing because it expands, it goes in all of those pores. For the finish I used Rubio Monocoat because it smells great. No, actually, because you need only one coat and you are done. And if you have limited amount of time, so it's perfect. Yeah, that's about it. I really like the design, even though I would do a bit differently next time. But I guess I can live with this. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.